Meaning of DVD.
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 DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. It is a type of optical disc technology used to store digital data, including movies, music, and computer files. DVDs are typically 12 centimeters in diameter and have a capacity of 4.7 gigabytes. They were first introduced in the mid-1990s as an improvement over the older CD technology, offering higher storage capacity and better video and audio quality. Today, DVDs have largely been replaced by Blu-ray discs and digital streaming, but they remain a popular format for movie and TV show collections.